ำอะไรอยู่
นอนเล่นเกม
เกิน
Good morning, everyone.
morning,
It's
teacher.
10:10. It's time for our class. Good morning, everyone. Now, let's start our class right away. The same as always, let's review the small talk that we have learned so far.
ปั้น
Small
เปิดตรงนี้
talk
ปั้น
11. May I have your phone number? May I have your phone number?
Sure my phone number is ...
Good job. I can hear you, EQ. Next one. What is the name of your school?
teacher
Good morning, Khao Pan. The name of
school
of my school is Maribel School.
Very good. Next question. What grade are you in?
I'm in
I'm in
grade
5
Very good. Next question. How many students are there in your classroom?
There are
my
students in my
my
classroom.
Good job. Next question. Who is your homeroom teacher?
My home teacher ดวงนภา
พาลงปลา
เป็นกระสือ
Good job. Next question. Who is your IEP teacher?
My teacher is Teacher Peach.
Good
Teacher
job.
Peach.
Next question. Who is your school director?
My
school
director
is
บุญสมปิสุวรรณ
Sister Bunsom. Very good. Next question. Who is your close friend at the school?
My close friend is
Ang Bao and Cake.
I'm not close friend.
All right. Next question. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and math. English and math.
English, math, Amy?
ขนมปังไปไหนอะชื่อขนมปังไม่ค่อยเข้าอยู่จะได้รู้
All right. Next one. What time do you arrive school? At 7 o'clock. Good job. And what time do you leave school?
I leave school at
4 o'clock. Very good. Next question. How do you get to school?
I get to school by motorcycle ไม่ใช่ by car
By motorcycle, by car, by van? All right. And what about this one? I get to school by car. Good job. Next question. What is the next subject to study?
The next subject is science.
Science. What did you study in the previous class?
In the previous class, I studied
Mathematics. All right. Good job. Now let's move to our lesson. How many states of matter are there? There are 3 states of matter. The first one is
There are 3
solid, and liquid and gas. Good job. Next question. What state of matter is ice? Ice is solid. Very good. What state of matter is water? Water is liquid. Good job. What state of matter is oxygen?
Oxygen is gas.
Very good. Oxygen is gas. What state of matter is diamond?
Diamond is solid.
Solid. And what state of matter is milk?
Liquid. Milk is liquid.
Very good. What state of matter is car smoke?
Car smoke is gas.
Gas. Very good. What is your name, everyone?
Purse.
Purse.
Ow.
Im. Purse. Ang Pao. And EQ. All right. Now let's move to our next lesson. The example of melting. The example of melting. This is the example of melting from solid as the first state, and then it becomes liquid. From solid to liquid. This is called melting. Another example of melting is the ice melting or candle melting from solid to liquid. Next example is the example of freezing or solidification. Solidification. The first state is liquid, and then it becomes
Solid.
solid. Very good. From liquid to solid is called freezing. Freezing. The examples of freezing: ice freezing or metal melting. Metal melting. And then we form it into the figures, and it becomes our utensils. Next one, the example of evaporation. Evaporation. This is the example of evaporation. The first state is liquid, and the second state is gas. From liquid to gas. For example, it's the water in the puddle evaporating. It dries off and it becomes the gas. And the other example is when we are drying our clothes. Drying our clothes. All right. From wet clothes, it becomes dry because the wet or the liquid is evaporate in the air. It becomes the gas. Next one is the condensation. Condensation. This is the example of condensation. It's from gas to liquid. From gas to liquid. For example of condensation is the rain falling from the cloud. The cloud is gas, but the rain is liquid. That's why it's condensation. Or it's the dew in the morning. Dews in the morning. From gas, from the cloud, the foggy, and it becomes the water or the dews in the morning. Next is the sublimation. Sublimation. Dry ice is the example of sublimation. It's from solid to gas. From solid to gas. Next one is the deposition. Deposition, for example, is the snow falling. It's from gas to solid. Gas to solid is deposition. Deposition. Lots of snow on the ground. This is the deposition. Do you remember 6 types of transitions and states of matter? The first one, melting, is from solid to liquid. Melting is from solid to liquid. Next, freezing is from liquid to solid. Very good. Next, evaporation is from liquid to gas. Very good. Condensation is from gas to
liquid,
liquid. Very good. Sublimation is from solid to
gas,
gas. Good job. And last one, deposition is from gas to
liquid,
liquid. Sorry. Gas to solid. I'm sorry. Gas to solid. You can touch the snow, so it's solid. All right. This is the cycle of the transition. If the gas becomes solid, it's the deposition. But if the solids become the gas, it's the sublimation. All right. This is the 6 ways of states of matter. All right. This is the states of matter. Easy to remember. All right. Now let's move to our question. What is the second state of this picture?
liquid,
Liquid. Good job. Next one. What is the second state of this picture?
liquid, liquid to solid,
It's the solid. It becomes solid. The egg is cooked, so it's solid. All right. Next one. What is the second stage of this picture?
gas,
Gas. Good job. What is the second stage of this picture?
liquid,
Liquid. Good job. What is the second stage of this picture?
solid,
Solid. Good job. What is the second stage of this picture?
liquid,
Liquid. Good job. What is the second stage of this picture?
gas,
Gas. Good job. Next one. What is the second stage of this picture?
solid,
Solid. Good job. Next one. What is, oh, there's no picture. What is the second stage of this picture? It's solid. Solid. All right. What is the second stage of this picture? Drying clothes. It's the gas. Very good. Next one. What is the second stage of this picture?
liquid,
Liquid. Good job. Next one. What is the second stage of this picture? From gas to
liquid,
liquid. Good job. Next one. What transition is it? What transition is it? It's, what is it? It's freezing. It's melting. Good job. Next one. What transition is it?
evaporation,
Evaporation is not correct.
deposition,
Condensation? Deposition? That's not correct.
sublimation,
Sublimation is not correct.
condensation,
Condensation is correct. Next one. What transition is it?
melting,
Melting is not correct. It's from solid to gas, not from solid to liquid. What is it? Solid to gas. It's sublimation. Sublimation is from solid to gas. Next one. What transition is it? Liquid to solid. Very good. Is freezing or solidification? What transition is it? Liquid to gas. What is it?
Sublimation.
Sublimation is not correct.
Evaporation.
Evaporation? That is correct. Next one. What transition is it? Snow. Snow.
Condensation.
Condensation is not correct.
Deposition.
Deposition is correct. All right. Good job. Next one. What transition is it?
Melting.
Melting is correct. Next one. What transition is it?
Condensation.
Condensation is correct. Next.
Sublimation.
Sublimation is not correct.
Evaporation.
Evaporation is not correct. From liquid to
Deposition.
solid. Deposition,
Freezing.
not correct.
Freezing.
Freezing is correct. Next one. What transition is it? From liquid to gas. Liquid to gas.
Deposition.
Deposition, not correct.
Condensation.
Condensation, not correct.
Sublimation.
Sublimation is not correct.
เพื่อนบ้าหายไปในเงินหมด It's an evaporation.
Is an evaporation is correct. All right. Now let's move to our book. Our book, page 56. 56. All right. Ready? 56?
56. Okay.
Let's do it together. The first one, what is it? Candle?
Melting.
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 Good job. Next, what is it?
I don't know.
It's evaporation. Evaporation. From gas
อันนี้
to
condensation. Condensation.
condensation. Very good. Next, liquid to solid.
Deposition.
Solidification. Solidification. Make it into a solid. So it's solidification.
Sublimation.
Sublimation, are you sure?
Deposition.
Is the deposition. And last one is
Sublimation.
sublimation. All right. Write it down. Write it down. And tell me when you finish.
I forgot my book because I go to my mom's school.
It's okay. You can screenshot and write it down later.
Okay.
Finish? All right. I will move to the one below. Liquid to gas. Liquid to gas. What is it? From liquid to gas. It's evaporation. Evaporation. Next, gas to liquid. Gas to liquid. The dews in the morning. What is it? It's condensation. Condensation. Next one, from liquid to solid. Liquid to solid. What is it? Liquid to solid is freezing. Freezing. And number 5, from solid to gas. What is it? Solid to gas is sublimation. And last one, gas to solid. Gas to solid is deposition. Deposition. All right, write it down and tell me when you finish. All right, good job, everyone. Now, don't forget to remember this thing. All right, the 6 ways of states of matter. From gas to solid is the deposition. From solid to liquid is melting. From liquid to gas is evaporation. But on the contrary, from gas to liquid is condensation. From liquid to solid, it's freezing. And from solid to gas is the sublimation. Sublimation. Don't forget about this one, because for the finals, we will have this one as our text 2. Don't forget this one, all right? Easy peasy, right? Now, before we say goodbye, let's play some game. I need to share the sound. Easy one. It's not related to the class, but let's play the game together. Guess the animal sounds game. Guess the animal sounds. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Let's get started. The first animal.
Cow.
It's a cow. All right. What is your name, everyone?
First,
Hers, Im. Nong pang. EQ. Ang pao. All right. That is correct. Next animal.
goat. Duck.
It's a duck. Everyone? Everyone. All right. It's the duck. Next one.
Horse.
It's a horse. Everyone?
Yes.
All right. 1 point for everyone. Not hot dog, it's horse. Horse. Next one. It's a pig. Everyone?
Yes, everyone.
Right. 1 point for everyone. Next one. Cat. Who wants to answer dog? Is there anybody who wants to answer a dog? EQ, you are saying dog?
Dog.
A dog for EQ and cat for everyone? Everyone say cat and EQ says dog?
Yes.
Let's see. It's a cat. It's a cat. All right. Next one.
Dog.
Is a dog. Good job, everyone. Got 1 point for everyone. Next one.
Sheep.
Is a sheep. 1 more point for everyone. Next
ใส่
one.
รองเท้าซะด้วย
แก่หรือเปล่าแก่หรือแพ้มันยังไงนะแพ้
goat.
Goat. Who says goat? Everyone?
Yes, everyone.
That is correct. 1 point for
buffalo.
everyone. Next.
Chicken.
It's the cockerel or chicken. That's why I will give you the point to everyone.
Yeah.
It's the same one. Next. Oops.
Hen.
Hen. All right.
ลูก
I
เจี๊ยบ
made a
มันทำไม
mistake.
มันเหมือนเป็นตัวปอมๆเลยกลมๆน้องปอมปอม
All right. That is it for today, everyone. Do you have any questions?
No.
No question. The score for today, EQ 10, Nongbang 10, Angbao 11, Purse 11, Im 11. That is the score for today. And I already watched EQ, Angbao, and Papai videos already. All right. Good job, everyone. Keep it up. And don't forget to send me the video. Don't forget to do that.
อีคิว
Speaking video.
เอาวิดีโอจริงออกไปยังไงกิ้งวิดีโอคืออะไรเชิญ
I sent you in the group. I sent you in the group. It's the
ว่าเป็น
video.
ยังไง
All right. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.